How to fix you cannot make this change because the selection is locked in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix an error in Microsoft Word if it says you cannot make this change because the selection is locked in. So without further delay, let's get started. Close your Microsoft Word if you have already opened it up. Now go to this PC on your device. Head towards your local disk C and now click on Program Files. From here, search for Microsoft Office, click on it. Head towards the first option, that is Office 16. Once you're here, there you will find this text file or .exe file. That says OSPPREARM. Once you see this file, you have to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. So you have to repeat the same steps for at least 3 times. Once you're done with 3 times, now you can close your this PC. After that, go and again reopen your Microsoft Word and you will no longer find the error message on Microsoft Word and the selection will work properly. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.